Let's make this street food style chicken paratha right at home. For the full written recipe and detailed instructions, visit my recipe site islandsmile.org. The link is in the description box. Let's begin by preparing the ingredients. To marinate the chicken, add the boneless chicken cubes into a mixing bowl, followed by yogurt or curd. Add turmeric, red chilli powder, ginger and garlic paste, and the black pepper powder. Add the hot chili sauce, season with salt, and then mix everything well until the chicken is fully coated. Set aside and let this marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour to give more flavor. To prepare the fresh ingredients, slice the cucumber into thin strips and slice the onions into rings. Mix with the chopped mint and coriander leaves. Set this aside. Now let's make the creamy sauce. Into a medium-sized bowl, add the mayonnaise, hot sauce. You can add any type of hot sauce available to you. Sweet chili sauce, black pepper, paprika or red chili powder, and melted butter. Mix until the sauce turns smooth and creamy. Next would be cooking the marinated chicken. Place a pan over medium heat and pour in the oil. Cook until the chicken absorbs the marinade. If you notice that there are bigger pieces of chicken cubes, just cut into them as you continue to cook. This takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Once this is done, remove and set aside to cool. Next, let's heat the store-bought parathas. You can use any type of parathas available to you as well as make them at home. To heat the parathas, brush a little oil onto a heated pan. Gently heat the parathas until they are cooked. Set aside to cool for a few minutes. Now that you have all the components ready, let's assemble the wrap. To do this, place the paratha on a flat surface or a plate. Add a generous amount of the cooked chicken. Then add the creamy sauce, followed by the cucumber strips. Wrap the parchment paper around the wrap, then fold the bottom to hold everything in place. You can also use foil instead of parchment paper. It keeps the wraps secure and makes it easy to carry for picnics, lunch boxes, or outdoor events. And this is your easy street food style chicken paratha wrap you can make anytime.